Now, everybody study happiness, but do you realize, many people never thought about that. Do you realize the actual pursuit of happiness is a major source of suffering? Think about that. No more research supporting that. Okay? Now, I want to be happy. So there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong about that. Everybody wants to be happy, okay? And some people say, oh, I don't want to be famous or rich. I just want to be an ordinary person, free from stress and worry. I just want to be happy. Now think about the logic. I just want to be an ordinary person and be a happy person, free from stress and worry. Is it possible? Is it possible for any human being? Doesn't matter if we're ordinary or not ordinary. It is not possible for us to be. You know why? But we are our worst enemies. All the suffering, it comes within us. Happiness depends on the quality of our inner life, the quality of your thought, the purity of your heart, the nature of aspiration. Your head full of junk, full of selfishness. It doesn't matter how you study a sign of happiness. You're still miserable. Here's the thing. All I want is to marry someone who will make me happy. Have you heard that before? If any woman tell you that, you better run. because it's not possible for any man to make a woman happy if she is miserable inside her. So anyway, I'm not in divorce. It's simply not possible to depend on another person to make you happy if you are not happy with yourself. It's an impossibility. Only you can make you happy. Okay? So why am I so miserable? With all the knowledge and all the wealth to make people happy, but so many miserable people. I don't know about you. I have not met a single person who's not miserable. Whether rich or poor, or highly educated,